Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial, and today I'll show you how to write down this type of creative way. So it's totally simple and the beginner tutorial. So let's start the tutorial. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So at first I'll take a new artboard or canvas, go to the new options from the file and take the file like 2560 and 1440, the resolution 200 pixel per inch, and color mode RGB 8-bit color mode, and the background will be white, and hit the create button. You'll get the new background which is the white, and go to the file and place embedded options. Here is paper texture, and I'll give you that texture link in my video description for your practice purpose. So make it fit with the artboard, press the shift and alter button and hit the tick button, and after that right press and resize the layer and go to the adjustment layer and hue saturation option. Down the saturation it will be black and white, and select these two things and right press and the merge layer. That means now this one is one layer for me, and then go to the file and place embedded again, and now I will insert the watercolor, as well as I'll give you that watercolor link in my video description. So make it bigger and fit with the artboard and hit the tick button, and same process, the restylize the layer, the adjustment layer, hue saturation, down the saturation like that, and you can down the opacity. Actually at first you have to merge these two things, merge the layers. So after that, here is the blending mode. You can change the blending mode, suppose the like skin mode and multiply mode, that's good, and make the opacity down, make it a little bit like that. Yeah, that's good. And now go to the blank layer, take a blank layer and the text tool, take a text like the PT will be 72 and the font type will be Hansa, and I'll give you that font download link in my video description, so don't worry about that. And I'll write down something. Okay, that's good. So make it in a center, press Ctrl A, and here is the alignment options, middle from top to bottom and middle from left to right, and press Ctrl D for the deselect. Press Ctrl T and make it bigger, press the shift and alter button and make it bigger, yeah, and hit the OK button. So you can change the color, so suppose this one, but here I made that multicolor options. So how to do that? It's easy, totally easy. So at first go to the file again and place embedded options and import the watercolor again. So make the watercolor like bigger and hit the tick button and reduce the opacity a little bit. So I'll adjust this one or fit this one with this. Yeah, that's good. And then press the control button or command button, and when you are getting the dotted box, press the T options, and now restylize the watercolor layer and then press Ctrl J. You'll get new options. So delete this one, turn off this one, you are getting the watercolor like that. So now you have to increase the color or other things. Go to the adjustment layer, from the adjustment go to the level and mask it and just give the, yeah, that's good. So you have the options to make it like color like that, and go to the hue saturation options and mask it. You can make the hue saturation like that. Actually any kind of color you can give like that, so you can make it like that. So select all the things select this one as well, make it group, right press and blending mode. Now you have to change the drop shadow. You can give the drop shadow a little bit. The drop shadow setting will be opacity 43 and the distance 1 and spread 2 and 2. That's good. And then you have to go to the texture option. You can give the texture like that, or the texture will be simple texture, and the corner will be like that. This one you can turn off the texture, so corner will be like that. And okay, so the drop shadow, you can adjust the drop shadow, not too much, little bit, and give like that opacity. So here is 1 or 2, that's good. And this one you should try all the things, suppose you can use that. Okay, that's good, and hit the OK button. And now again in this window, so you have to go to the color lookup options. You can add the color lookup. Suppose I added the horror blue color, so you can use that. So, and then the brightness and contrast, you can add the brightness like that and contrast like that. So as you wish to make this one like that. So one thing here, go to the adjustment layer, gradient options, and add a gradient, make it radial, reverse, tether 350, actually 350, and the 0 degree, and here. So here go to the blending mode, and in the corner options you can give the corner like that. That could be, yeah, that's good. And hit the OK button. So you can make like that. So here is the hue saturation options. You can change the hue saturation like this. Yeah, this one is colorful, you can make it like that. So saturation could be increase. So, and here I think you can just go to the hue saturation option and make the, so here is the options or all the things. You can go to the just photo filter, you can make it photo filter like that. Yeah, that's good. Select all the things, make it group. Suppose you want to make it group and make it merge. And now go to the filter and camera filter. From the camera filter I'll give another effect, or I'll correction the color if you want. So here is the option. I want to make it a little bit cool, so this type of cool. Sharpness of amount of sharpness I'll increase the, yeah, I'll make it like that. So from the effects I'll add some effects like that. Brightness, exposure I'll make it up. Contrast I'll give the contrast like that. Highlight I'll make it down. The shadow I'll add shadow white like that. Blacks, it could be blacks. Okay, that's good. Clarity I'll make it up. So clarity I'll make it up a little bit. The variance a little bit up. Saturation up. And then you can make it, yeah, it could be. So here you should work with the blue just because of the paper color. So blue, here is the aqua, here is the blue. Yeah, you can work with it. And I'll make it like a little bit cool color. So yeah, that's good. And then the luminance, the red luminance, and hue, you can make the hue like that, and then hit the OK button. So our design ready. So Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. If you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. And if you need to download the stocks or resource files, please check out my video description and you'll get all the download links over there. And don't forget to share with your friends. And this tutorial is for the beginners. So I'm ASM Arif signing out today, and bye bye.